Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be doing what it's like in a day in the life with me on a day off from work. So even though I have a day off, it's never really a day off because I have so much to do. So I kind of made little checklists. People like journal and write what they're going to do today. My handwriting is terrible, so I thought I would use my Cricut and do this. So I have this. There's only a couple of things, but some may take a while. So the things I have to do today is finish cleaning the kitchen because I am doing a kitchen video cleanup for my dad's house. Well, my house, but. So I have been cleaning the kitchen. Well, I cleaned the kitchen one day last week on my day off. It took me 9 hours. It took me the day to do it and I still didn't finish. So today I'm gonna finish cleaning the kitchen. We're supposed to paint it today and make another video, but I don't think we're painting it today. I haven't heard anything. So groceries, I need to go grocery shopping, so we could do that together. And then meal prep. We're gonna be meal prepping together. I am gonna try to take Ruffus for a walk. I want to try to go for 3 o'clock, so we have a huge time limit. So then we could go from 3 to 4. Oh no, from 4 to 5, and then pick up my hubby at 5. So it is 10:30 now. So I want to finish the kitchen, go grocery shopping, meal prep, and then take Ruffus for a walk by 4 o'clock. Get down. What's wrong with you? Get down. And then I have my grocery shopping list. Isn't my writing amazing? So I need potatoes, cream corn, regular corn, niblets, gravy, mixed vegetables, lean ground beef, cucumber, carrots, and I really want a pasta salad and maybe some kind of like healthy snacks if I find any. Because sometimes we want a little thing to snack on, but we always have like the worst options, like all the candy from Christmas, so I kind of want to find better snacks if we do get hungry. Alright, so I'm gonna go wash my face, and then we are going to start cleaning the kitchen. I'm not going to record much because that's a whole video itself, but yeah. And then we're going to go grocery shopping, so stay tuned. The kitchen's not going to take long, it's mostly done. Okay, so I've been using Dr. Tuna Calendula face wash. It's from Pharmacy. My link is always in the description below. If you sign up, you get 50% off any products, every single purchase. And I've been loving their products. This comes in like a little bundle with this, a cream, and then another kind of cream. But I highly recommend. I also have the tea tree oil one. But I'll be using this one this morning. So I just got a new face moisturizer, so I'm going to use that. But for the Calendula package, it comes with a face cream. Is it focusing properly? Face cream. It comes with this. So this would be like if you have like any cuts or anything, it would work perfect on that. And then it has a Calendula oil. So what I'll do, I'll put the face cream on, and then I'll put this on and use the face roller to rub it all in. Feels amazing. But I got this from work, and I've actually been loving it. It's because my hands get so dry from work. I tried to find a cream. Somebody told me that they use this for their face, and I tried it last night and it felt so good before I went to bed. So we're going to do that. We're not going to do mascara or anything. I don't usually wear makeup, but we're not going to do mascara today because, like I said, I'm going to clean the kitchen, so there's absolutely no point. But maybe to go to the grocery store, maybe we'll throw some mascara on, but that's pretty much all I did. I started watching Outer Banks again because season 3 is coming out soon, and now all I want to do is lay in my bed and watch it. I really love that show. But we gotta stay productive. Oh yeah, I forgot to say, 2023 is my year. Woo! Let's go, baby! Yeah, so we're not allowed to lay in bed all day watching Outer Banks, even though that's all I want to do. It's so cold. But anyways, I just finished the kitchen and now we're going to Walmart to go get all our groceries. It's now 1:41. And when did I start? 10:30? 10:30. About 3 hours to clean the rest of the kitchen. But now we're on our way to Walmart. I have my grocery list. I have a couple more things, but since I already have this, I just have the rest in my phone. But that's basically what I need for the meal prep for the week. So let's go to Walmart and get our groceries. And I don't know, this is gonna take a while to make, so I don't know if I should go walk the dog first. Pick up my hubby and then make the meal prep. But at the same time, I don't want him to have to make the meal prep after a long day of work. But we'll figure it out. It's only 2 o'clock almost. Hopefully we're out of there by 2 o'clock actually, 2:10. I think we could do it. My seatbelt thing is going off because the groceries are so heavy. That's so funny. Alright, I just got back. So I thought I'd do like a quick little haul of everything I got. And I never go out. I never go all out like this. I usually only get what I need for meal prep and for my snack, and then that's it. But today I went all out. So for the meal prep, we're making shepherd's pie. My dad's famous shepherd's pie. So I got 2 big things of meat. I never feel like we used to get this much meat, but he told me to get me 2, probably because I was paying. Well, it is my meal prep. My battery's gonna die. I'll be right back. Alright. Next I got a 3-meat pizza. We seem to always order pizza, so this is gonna help us not order pizza. And then I got a spinach pizza. I love spinach pizza. I was trying to find one with olives on it, but whatever. I got these. They're so cute. They're so good. Alright. Red potatoes. I hope this is enough. It probably will be. And then I got some cams.
Just go by.
I got some pita bread.
Huh? Okay, that's Joe's.
Some bananas.
The banana.
Are you making fun of me now?
Fucking cold out there, man.
This is looking super bad.
Hey?
I got some mozzarella sticks. Some deep fried pickles.
I tried them before. Deep fried pickles.
Deep fried pickles are really good.
Yeah, it depends where you got them.
Yeah.
I got a M&M. I didn't like them.
No?
No.
I like them in stores.
Oh yeah.
Alright, I got the spinach dip. I've never seen it before, but it was on sale. As well as a roasted garlic hummus. So those will be good.
You like your hummus?
I got jalapeno cheese. I got a cucumber, little organic tomatoes, little baby carrots. Those are for my lunch. Like my snack box. Milk. Mayo for the hubby. This kind of flopped to be a meal prep. I'm not really explaining anything. I kind of just did everything. Alright, so I peeled a whole bunch of potatoes. My dad said I made too many, so we're leaving those there. Potatoes are in there, and we're doing, we're doing the ground beef right now, and we're making two different pots, one with cream corn and one with niblets. So we have that cooking to finish that one, and then we're gonna work on this one afterwards. So those are our two containers. Stay tuned. Famous shepherd's pie here. Okay, so I'm a little bit late going to Conroy. It is 4:36, so we're only really gonna have 20 minutes to walk. But thank God my hubby's only 5 minutes away. And yeah, so we paused. I told my dad to go take a break because he wanted to help with the shepherd's pie. So I told him to go take a break, and we'll do the mashed potatoes and stuff when I get back because I don't want to miss that part. I'm like, this is my first time doing his secret recipe alone, kind of with his help, but like I'm doing majority of the work, so I want to be there to know. But I'm not showing you guys everything. I'm just showing you guys what a shepherd's pie looks like. But there's little tips and tricks I ain't showing in this video because that's a special family recipe. Catch you on the flip side, mother. Just kidding. See you soon. It is so cold. Ruff wants to go down the forest path, like always. You ready, Ruff? Spooky! Here we go. Quick little update, I'm supposed to pick my hubby up at 5 o'clock and it is 5:07, so I'm rushing there. We had to rush out of Conroy and I'm literally just around the corner. I look like beaten up. Okay, I'm pulling up at his work, and then we're going home to finish the shepherd's pie and take a shower and relax. And I really want to continue Outer Banks, but I know he's not. I made him watch it a couple times already. So, we'll see you when I get back home. I can't wait to eat the shepherd's pie. I wish you guys could try it.